e don't find any boss. So they say that the Biafra army don't get information of how the Nigeria army want to bring the Senegalese army come Biafra land, come help them fight the Biafra army and ESN. No be smart, you know. I go play the video, may you watch. However, welcome back to Balabas GC. Today not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still dey here. They bring you updates back to back as they hot. Watch this video. No need to talk too much. Oh, watch the video from beginning to end though before we come back. Can continue.
It is not a crime to be a Biafran. The war want to make it to look as if it is a crime to be a Biafran. And then they want to force us to begin to hide our identity. No wonder they begin to force our ancestors to change their name and put English name. They begin to make us to look inferior, trying to make us to abandon our ancients of days, that the ways of our life, they make us to look rejected. And now that we return back to our normal self, being proud of who we are, proud of our ancestors, they now think they can come and kill us. But we refuse to die anyway. Tell your neighbor, I refuse to die. My enemy can never decide how I will die. No, 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 no. Our life is not in their hands. Yes. You can't kill us 2 times. We have paid a price. We have paid a very heavy price for living the ways of our ancestors, allowing you to twist us, deceive us, following the way of the wise. And the same you who say that you are Christian and we are Christian, you are fighting so hard to hand over us to Muslim. Britain deceive us, then deceive Africa as the whole. And then I believe that Britain and Europe are Muslim. They are Islam in heart. They are just using Christianity to cover themselves. These people are Islam. Look at, they are good in deceive. They can never support any Christian country. They will hand over you to Muslim. And then they will go into a deal with Muslim to dry your resources. It doesn't concern them if you are die or not. And now our eyes are open. And we tell them enough is enough. It is either Biafra or Biafra. If you don't want to give us Biafra, we take Biafra by force. And they say, no, they will kill us all. I'm asking them, market, is blood not running in your vein? Are you not also a human being? Are you above death? You are not above death. When you come to kill us, you will die. We are in our land. This is the land of our ancestors. This is our father's land, our motherland. This land of Biafra, you cannot kill us. You cannot take us away. You cannot kill us. And we go nowhere. We can never move an inch. Today you go and deploy Chad. Tomorrow you deploy Niger. Next tomorrow You deploy, Britain will give you special force. And now you are coming with Senegalese. And then I asked Senegal soldier a question. You that agree to come to follow Nigeria to come kill the indigenous people because of money, I hope you are ready. I really hope you are ready, because believe you me, wetin you sow you go reap. What you sow you go reap. So this is our land. We are fighting for what is rightfully belongs to us. It have never been by force to be won. We are not Nigerian. We are Biafrans. And we say we want to remain Biafra. And you say no, it's compulsory. Is it compulsory to remain one? You can't force me. And you say, okay, since I did not agree your term and condition, you want to kill me. You want to kill me? No problem. Come and kill me now. Come and kill me. Blood is not running in your vein. You know if we die, abi? Now you know say you dey follow die. You dey kpai. You dey follow kpai. I'm telling you the truth. 2024 is not 1967 to 1970. There is a different gap, different perceive of people. There are different people you will meet. And I told you that we took time to study the mistake of our ancestors, our father, and we have learned from their mistake, which we can never allow it to repeat itself. You see this war? This very war, if you like, go and pack the whole war to come and fight us. The land of Biafra will swallow all of you. If you like, go and hire the whole war to come and join hand and fight against Biafra. Once you step your foot on the land of Biafra to kill us, you must die. You think we are joking? You think we are joking? Remember, I told you that peaceful exit will benefit you. If Biafra go in peace, it will benefit you. You still become our good neighbor. Our transactions still go smoothly and peacefully. But if we go with anger, let me tell you, we will make sure that we revenge the death of our fathers. Even when you are in your land, we go find you, come follow butcher you. You think we are joking? For those of you who are complaining hungry in Nigeria, my introduction be this. So, you know, when we start this, when they do this, we told you that we have 3 objectives, 3 missions. 1, to cripple the economy. 2, to make them pay heavily for kidnapping the holy prophet, Nnamdi Kanu. 3, to deny them that right of killing as will. And at the end, Biafra must come. They thought we were joking. So you who are complaining of hungry, you never start to. Fuel will soon reach 3,000 a liter. As ship is warming up in Nigeria. Because them think they can come again to kill Biafra. They are now gathering money to go and buy weapon. Let me tell you what is playing in Nigeria now. The starvation then starve our ancestors in 1967 to 1970. That starvation is playing back to Nigeria today. You don't know? Nature have its own way to pay evil people back to their own coin. Yes, it's the truth. Then stop us now. Do you know that people that die of starvation were more than people that die by bullet? Are you aware of that? People that Nigeria starved to death, even after they say no victory, no banquet. People then starved to death were far more than, as in more than people that were killed by gun and bullets. So they have returned back to also make Nigeria feel what they felt. You never feel hungry. You never feel hungry. Hunger in chapter 1 is coming. Then you understand that we are not joking. So tell them to deploy the whole war. Of course, the genocide then committed was Third World War. The whole war gang up against us. They said few. We fought Germany. We fought Britain. And we survived. So we are not afraid of you. You should know now, say there is nothing like fear. We know they die. We know they fear to die. As I tell you, that the fear of death have gone from us. You thought we will allow you to do that nonsense you did in Kaduna. Look at man do in Abuja, Express Road, kidnapping travelers, asking for ransom. The whole capital of the zoo, kidnapper, Boko Haram, Islam, ISIS, they kidnap. That people, more than 500 cars will park on the roadside, stopping them from going to their businesses and their journey. And that was your mind that we will allow you to come and do that dirty things. Kidnapping and asking for ransom, killing our women, taking our farmland, raping as wish. It can't happen now. It can't happen. We have what it takes to stop you. And when we tell you that we need Biafra, we said it hitting our chest in front of you, say, we will take Biafra from you by force. You can't stop us. You see, Biafra, we are taking it by force. You can never stop us. You say you know how to shoot gun, shoot. You know how to throw bomb, throw. You know how to come with fighter jet. Bring all the latest fighter jet. Shoot all your bomb. Shoot as you wish. Throw your bomb. Shoot your gun. But at the end of all those nonsense, yeah, you will see welcome Biafra. Yes, I'm telling you, at the end of all those your stupidity, you will see welcome Biafra. If you don't know this, I'm always here to tell you, to remind you, that at the end of your stupidity, you welcome Biafra. You welcome Biafra. You will see hair Biafra. You will see congratulate Biafra. The world will see write congratulations later to Biafra. Yes. So that is why we no shake. When you finish your initial gra-gra, you will come to your conclusion that indeed we cannot stop them. They are greater than us. Yes, you will come to acceptance with us that we are greater than you. True, we are greater than you. So have you seen us? We are no longer making noise again. We are not talking again in social media. We allow you to use your mouth to talk what you see. Yes, that is why we say that thing where you they see, talk am, how you they take see am, talk am. But believe you me, we go, you go buy in a K, you go buy in Ore, you go buy in Afo, you go buy in Nkwo. Anytime you step your foot in the land of Biafra, thinking on how to come and buy the children of Biafra, you can't survive. You were thinking, I'm joking. You can't survive. Then you will believe that the spirit of our ancestors are with us. This is our right now. It's our land. We are not in Yoruba land. We are not in Hausa land. We are not in Fulani land. We are not in Britain. We are in the land of our ancestors. And we say we want to be alone. We have nothing to do with Nigeria. We have never been Nigerians from onset. And you say you want to come and kill us. Come and kill us now. What we see. So, that thing where you want, you go see. Believe you me. But I will leave this with you. Say, begin when no one in mama sleep. In Kwano they see sleep. Yes. Go ask Britain to interpret, give you. So it doesn't matter how long we fight. But what really matter is the end result. At the end, Biafra must come. That is one thing I can 100% assure you. You waste your money for nothing. You waste your resources for nothing. And you still waste people's life for nothing. You can't stop Biafra. Biafra is unstoppable. They never born you to stop Biafra. I've told you this. No spirit, no human, no body has that power to stop Biafra. Do you know why? Chukwu Okike Abiyama have signed it and stamp. Even him no fit stop him. Even God himself no fit stop Biafra because he have already signed and stamped. He can't go back to his word. Talk less of you. Dust. Think you can stop Biafra. Come and try. I told you, you will tire. Yes, you will tire. It doesn't matter how many you are. Let me tell you this again. If you come in million, you will die in million. You come in 1,000, you will die in 1,000. You come in 100, you will die in 100. You come in 10, you will die in 10. Even though you no come, you dey your house, think evil against Biafra, you still die. You don't know this? You not even come, you just dey in your house, wish, say, I wish Biafra dead. That dead automatically go grab your neck. You die there. Idiot. Then you understand that, yes, what we are doing is above carnality. We are in the spirit. And this is the joining of the spirit. Now our ancestors can never allow you to defeat them. It have never happened. So when you finish doing your nonsense, those of you that will be lucky to even go with one hand or one leg alive, you will live to tell your children how great was Biafra or how great is Biafra. But I believe many of you will never live to say how it was. Yes. That is the truth. Many of you will not have chance, will not even have that privilege to survive. It's the truth. I do not come here to dwell long in this line. I just come to wish the good people of Biafra good luck. Your prayer, you might think that your prayer is not being heard by our ancestors. But my problem to some of you is that you are using the name of Jesus to do prayer, which is Jesus can never leave Europe to come and help you in Africa. Instead of using the name of your ancestors, who know you better, who died for you. My ancestors died for me. Jesus never died for me, but I don't want to dive into that for today. One of these days, I will create time to talk about this. Whether you like it or not, it doesn't concern me because truth is always bitter. Okay? Truth is bitter. And we, the children of light, we do not care who embrace the truth and who do not embrace the truth. Once heaven send us message, we will deliver exactly the way they send us. No addition, no subtraction. If you want to pray for me or for garden men, for all the congregate, don't use the name of Jesus. I know not Jesus. Use the name of Saint Amadi, the name of Saint Philip Efiong, the name of Saint Ojuku, the name of many holy saints that died during Biafra war, and many saints that are still dying. Okay? Use their name and pray for me. Not Jesus. I know not Jesus. Those are the men that strengthen us day in, day night, day out. Those are the men that their spirit still compel us to stand the heat. And those are the men that make Nigeria not to able to conquer us. If it was in the name of Jesus, believe you me, therefore don't conquer us by now. Hand over us to their master, which is Britain. Because he's a child of the Europe, so anything concerning Britain is what they will do. He could have handed us to their children, which is Britain. And that is why I say, if you want to pray for me, or to the men on ground, use the name of Chukwuokike Abiama. And the name of the holy saints that died for us, not Jesus. I know not Jesus. Ãrmy talker. I thank you so much for this. More heat is coming. Do not lose focus. Your prayer is very important. Pray. And don't always forget to burn white and red candle. God, Chukwugikabiama, the Creator, is always hearing your prayer. So please, that your prayer is what we always need. For those of you who are well doing, your contribution is also needed. Locate Biafra government in hometown, you know your state. Donate that little thing you can donate to Biafra Pulse. It will help us get us bullets. It will also help us to get us some things we need to defend this holy land of Biafra. Because we can never surrender. We can never retrieve. We can never bow for our enemy. We will fight them, gun to gun, bullet to bullet, bomb to bomb. Yes, we will stand them and let them know that this is our right in our land to live. And they cannot take our life and take our land. It can never happen. Not in our living body. Rather, them that come to buy us, and them could go back as a dead body, with their dead body. So, keep praying. Don't forget to remain focused. In case it busts out to your area, you know how to menkele. Okay?
My people, as you don't watch that video, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates as it dey hot.